What is going on, guys? It's me again, Manny at Manny Mods Garage. And yes, I have two Hellcats in my garage. Right now what we're going to be doing is going to be lowering this Jeep Trackhawk. I'm going to be putting a drop kit on it, lowering springs, some rotors, brake pads. You know how it is, guys. Same old, just a different platform. I don't think I've ever recorded a Jeep Trackhawk lowering spring installation, so we're going to get to it and going to show you guys the ropes and how I do it. Okay. A little complicated, but you know what? We got it. So, where do we start? 18 millimeter on the top. So we got 18 up here. You loosen that, you take that out, and you just want to loosen that so that everything can drop. Then what I did was I got the 21 and I took out the lower tie rod with the 21. I don't know if you can see that. Tie rod bolt, so 21. 18 millimeter with a 21 wrench in the back. Just drive it out, take it out. It's pretty easy. It doesn't really get binded up anything. Then once you're done with all that, there's an 18 millimeter with a 16 head on the back of this strut right here. So this right here, 18. Okay. Listen to me clearly, guys. Take the 18 all the way out, because the bolt actually hugs it. It actually keeps the strut locked in place. So if you don't take that bolt all the way out, you're gonna go crazy like I did on the other side. You're gonna try to take it out and it's not coming out because you have to take it out all the way. Once you take the bolt all the way, not just loosen it, you're gonna spray some WD-40, you're gonna try to break everything loose a little bit. It's gonna be kind of complicated, kind of tight, but it is what it is. The trick to the madness is, what I do is you don't have to do this, but this is what I do. I take out the actual 18 millimeter strut nut above the top before I do anything. So as I take everything out, it basically decompresses the spring for you, replacing the spring a little faster. Now when you replace the spring, you don't need to get a strut, a spring tensioner. No tool required. That's why I do it this way, so you don't have to use the tool. Because there is tension popping out, but when you put the new spring, it's a lot smaller. So since the spring is smaller, you gotta do is put a little pressure down, put the little nut on top, get a vice grip, hold the actual chrome shaft inside the strut assembly with a rag, and so you don't scratch it, and then basically just go to Pound Town and drive it all the way and tighten the strut. Then you can replace everything and slide everything back up and basically reverse order, guys. It's that simple. I forgot to mention one more thing. This part, the bottom part of the strut, this bracket right here is a 27 millimeter. You want to get this big old socket, 27 millimeter. You want to take that socket all the way out so that you have more clearance. You want to be careful because you don't want to bust the boot on the axle. Y'all, for the back is pretty simple. Basically all you gotta do is get this 21 millimeter nut that's underneath the strut. Very easy. Get a pair of pliers or a crescent wrench on the other side, drive that one out. And then you're gonna take that same 21 and you're gonna take out these 2 bolts right here. 2 big nuts for the cradle. Do not disassemble the other side, only do one side at a time, because it's just basically gonna hang. Once it hangs, which you'll see in a second, the spring just pops right out, reverse order, and you're done. That's all you gotta do, y'all. Very, very easy. Once again, 21 millimeter and a crescent wrench is all you need for this whole assembly. And yeah, just take out the bottom of the strut, the 21, with a crescent wrench on the other side, drive it out. Right there's a 21. Over here is a 21. And then once you're done with that, the spring just pops out. You're gonna wanna use a jack, of course, just like I do. Jack it up and keep a lot of tension so that you can drive the bolts back up. This only works if you have an impact gun and a good jack. I mean, you can use a regular ratchet. You're gonna be there for a while, but for the people that know me, I use that. So just hang on and watch how I do it. Simple, guys. The brakes, the suspension on the rear, to change out these springs on these Trackhawks, super easy. So if you guys out there are kind of like discouraged or whatever the case is, dude, Jeep Trackhawk, Grand Cherokees in general, that's all it really takes. Is very easy. I mean, this is a Brembo setup and I just knocked it out in probably 20 minutes, 15 minutes, honestly. Got the spring in there, everything's tight. About to, torque everything down real quick. New rotors, new pads. Man, I love it when actual customers buy good stuff. Good customers buy high quality stuff. It's amazing. Huge shout out to Trey. Thanks so much, man. That's basically it, guys. Springs are done, rotors are all changed, brake pads are all changed. Very high quality stuff, guys. I'm really impressed with the quality. Right now I'm about to give this these brakes a nice scrub in, detail everything up real nice, and probably wash up the rims real quick. And then after that, guys, it's time to go to sleep. I'm super tired. I'm extremely exhausted. Yeah, it's been a crazy one, y'all. I've been non-stop, job after job after job. Blessings, guys. Keep them coming, guys. Please stop. Don't stop. Keep bringing me work. If you guys need any airbags, spring replacements, anything like that of the such, just let me know. I'll take care of your car. You guys know I will. Best deals, fastest service, and honesty. That's my biggest thing about me is honesty. If I scratch something, I'll tell you. If I damage something, I'll tell you. I'll fix it and we'll work something out. But I never want anybody coming back saying, oh, I messed this up or I did this wrong, whatever the case is. If you didn't like something, we can talk it out, we can work it out, and we'll figure it out. That's how I do things, guys. So with that being said, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have been giving me, and huge shout out to my wife for making these videos happen, guys. So till next time, peace out.